90% of Fortune 500 companies use this software, but most people have never heard of it. It manages everything from supply chains to payroll. And yet, most people have never even heard of it. It's called SAP, and learning it could be the best career move you make this year. What is SAP? SAP stands for Systems, Applications, and Products. It's an enterprise resource planning software, or ERP, that helps businesses manage day-to-day operations. Think of it as the operating system for giant companies. Finance, HR, procurement, warehousing, sales. SAP connects all of it in one platform. Why SAP jobs pay so well? SAP professionals are among the highest paid in IT. Why? Because SAP implementations are complex, high stakes, and every large organization needs people who know how to use and manage the system. Entry-level SAP roles start at £40,000 to £50,000. Experienced consultants earn £80,000 to £120,000. Freelance SAP contractors often charge £500 to £800 per day. Let's understand popular SAP modules. SAP isn't one product, it's a family of modules. SAP FICO handles finance and controlling. SAP M is materials management, for procurement and inventory. SAP SD deals with sales and distribution. SAP HCM covers HR and payroll. SAP S4HANA is the modern cloud-based version, and demand for it is skyrocketing. Who should learn SAP? You don't need to be a programmer. SAP is ideal for finance professionals, accountants, supply chain managers, HR professionals, business analysts, and IT consultants. If you work in any of these fields and want to earn more, SAP is your upgrade. How long does it take to learn SAP? With a structured course, most beginners can get job ready in 2 to 4 months. Uplatz's SAP courses are self-paced and include access to a practice server, so you get real hands-on experience, not just theory. Ready to start your SAP journey? Uplatz offers beginner to advanced SAP training at some of the best prices online. Visit uplatz.com, search for SAP, and enroll today. Like this video if it helped you understand SAP, and subscribe for weekly IT career tips.